One time for the birthday, bitch. Two time for the birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey, it's my birthday. It's your girl StacieWo. Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm back with another video giving you this New Year's Eve glam. Yes. It's my birthday. Honey, I'm giving you Marilyn Monroe. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you keep on watching. Do not forget to subscribe because this is the last video of 2019. And you don't want to miss what your girl got coming for you in 2020. You figure dig what I figure dig. I know you figure dig. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button either. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get right into this glam, boo. It's my birthday, and you know I'm feeling good. You know I'm feeling curly. You know what I'm saying? You know? So let's just jump right into this video. All right, my boos, jumping right into it. I used that P. Louise Rumor 5 and Rumor 6 base and placed this right under my eyebrow. Really, really good. Blending it out. Then I put it on my lid and also put it under my lid. Blended it out, giving me a nice blank canvas. This is a new technique that I use and that I really, really like doing. It helps my eyeshadow come out very, very better. Also, I jumped into that red bottom by ColourPop and put that right in my crease, applying it really, really nice and deep in the crease. Then to blend that out, I used the Like It's Hot by ColourPop and used my M506 brush and blended that out really, really good. I will be putting all my brushes down below if I don't tell you the brush, okay, boo? So don't beat me up now, okay? And I'm blending that out really, really good. And I also took a bigger brush and blended it so it can be very seamless into my skin. I love that shadow when it looks natural, baby. Then we jumped into that Mama Mitchell and I cut my crease with using this. You have to be really, really careful with using this Mama Mitchell because this dry faster than a mug, honey, okay? So I placed this all on my crease and blended it out with the red bottom and Like It's Hot, giving it a real ombre effect, getting that line out of there, making sure you cannot see that at all. You know what I'm saying, baby, okay? Then we jumped into the NYX Glitter Golds and I placed that over top of that Mama Mitchell blank canvas and placed that really, really good. Then blended that out, making sure you can't see any lines. Then for wing liner, I used the LA Color, winging my line out really good.
Oh my God!
As you can see in the beginning, it definitely was a struggle, baby, but we got it together, okay? And I just winged this out really, really good, taking my time. You can use any wing liner that you prefer. Baby, do you. But this is the one that I used, okay? Cost effective, if you feel me, figure dig. Then I just took a black eyeshadow from the ColourPop and just placed that right over top. You can use any black eyeshadow, but I like doing this. And I also was being lazy, put that eyeshadow right at the bottom too. Then I just winged, matter of fact, not winged, but took both of those colors that I used on the top of my lid and put it right down the bottom, blowing it out, giving it that cool, smoky feel. You feel what I'm saying? And I had to clean up that wing liner too. For lashes, I definitely use my Great Lash by Maybelline. No, you will not see me pop my lashes on. It is still a struggle, okay? For face, we jumped into the e.l.f. Hello Hydration Face Cream and I applied that all over my face. Then real quick, I jumped into that NYX and did my eyebrows. And I love this eyebrow pencil. It is doing me a really good service. Then for primer, we used the Tarte, putting that all over my face. Really, really good. And for foundation, we use my fave, the Fenty Beauty with my fave brush, the NYX brush, foundation brush. Blending that all on the neck and on the ear, making sure you get everything. For concealer, we did a combo. I did the Fenty Beauty and the Tarte and placed that right under my eye and all the places that you're supposed to contour. Really, really good. And I love this. This was a really, really good blend. It was like brothers and sisters. It was really, really good. They was best friends. They blended for me very, very well, honey. Okay? And I blend that right out. For contour, I used the Black Radiance palette and contoured my face really, really good. And then I just took that Fenty Beauty and line, you know, to touch that contour up a little bit, clean it up. You know what I'm saying. Then for powder, I jumped into that NYX 3-step kit, and I used that and applied that really, really good. And I also contoured that with my nose. I don't use a cream for my nose at all. For baking, I'm addicted to the Airspun, y'all. So I baked my face with this whole entire thing. And then did my inner corners real quick. And then for, you know, taking that off, I used the MAC Dark Deep and took that all over my face. And then I jumped back into that skin finish and put that all over my face. And that is also the color Dark Deep. For highlight, y'all not gonna believe it, I used the Juicy Fruit from the ColourPop palette, and it was really, really good. I was like, go me, okay? It was really, really good. I loved it. I really, really did. And then for setting spray, I used the new Soothing Olay Mist. For lips, baby girl, we did the Huda Beauty. Yes, I will definitely let you know which one that I use. But oh my God, y'all, it feels so good on your lips. The liner didn't break. I wasn't scared. I really, really love this. So shout out to Huda Beauty because you killed it on this. Oh, can't forget the blush, baby. And you know it's my e.l.f. Blush and Rose. And I blush my face really, really good. And that completes my video. Thank you so much for watching my video, boo. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And Happy New Year. And be safe tonight, okay? I will see my boos in my next video. I love you guys. Peace.